Welcome to CompTIA Data Plus exam, Taking Strategies. Successfully passing the CompTIA Data Plus exam requires both mastering the content and employing effective test-taking strategies. These strategies will help you approach the exam with confidence, manage your time efficiently, and maximize your chances of success. After watching this video, you will be able to describe some proven exam-taking strategies. When preparing for the exam, familiarize yourself with the types of questions you'll encounter. The exam consists of both multiple-choice questions, or MCQs, and performance-based questions, or PBQs. PBQs may involve solving scenarios, analyzing data, or completing simulations. The exam is 120 minutes long and has 80 questions. This means you have about a minute per question. A passing score is 675 points out of 900. Review the official exam objectives before the exam to know what topics they cover. Complete practice tests to familiarize yourself with the question formats and time constraints. Take timed mock exams to replicate the real testing environment. Focus on the 5 domains of the exam: data concepts and environments, foundational ideas and frameworks, essential for understanding how data is managed and utilized in various contexts. Data mining, discovering patterns, correlations, and insights from large datasets using various statistical, machine learning, and computational techniques. Data analysis, inspecting, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data to discover useful information, suggest conclusions, and support decision-making. Visualization and reporting, the techniques and tools used to present data in a visual format to make complex information more accessible and understandable. Data governance, quality, and controls, the policies, standards, and processes that ensure the accuracy, security, and proper management of data throughout its lifecycle. During the exam, managing your time is crucial. Aim to complete about 1 question per minute. Start with the easy questions and flag the tougher ones for review later. Limit time spent on a single question to avoid running out of time for others. Strategize when answering questions. Eliminate wrong answers. Narrow your choices by eliminating obviously incorrect options. Guess strategically. If you're unsure, make an educated guess rather than leaving a question blank. There's no penalty for wrong answers. Carefully read the questions. Ensure you fully understand what is being asked before selecting an answer. Focus on understanding. PBQs often simulate real-world scenarios. Apply your knowledge practically to solve them. Don't get stuck. If a PBQ is taking too much time, move on and return to it later if possible. On exam day, make sure to arrive early or set up your testing environment ahead of time if you're taking the exam online. Stay calm, keep a positive mindset, and focus on 1 question at a time. If time allows, review any flagged questions before submitting your exam. Once you've completed your exam, take some time to analyze your performance. Review any feedback on your strengths and areas for improvement, and most importantly, celebrate your achievement. Passing the exam is a milestone worth recognizing. The CompTIA Data Plus exam is manageable through preparation and effective strategies. By understanding the exam format, managing your time wisely, and approaching each question with a clear strategy, you can set yourself up for success. In this video, you learned the exam format and content, to pace yourself and prioritize questions strategically to avoid getting stuck when taking the test, and to review your performance and celebrate your achievements.